Hello, in this video I am going to show you how you can remove the text from an image by using Canva. So let's see how we can do it quickly. At first we need to log in our Canva account. I already logged in on my Canva account, and here you see this is my Canva account, and now we need to import that image on our design. So I'm going to drag and drop it, the design, on my Canva design. Now we need to set it as an background image. Right click and I'm going to choose set as a background. So now the image is located as a background image. Now we are going to remove this text. So this is the text I'm going to remove by using Canva. So to remove this text, at first we need to click the image. Now we need to click on the image. Once we clicked on the image, then we'll find this type of menu options are there. We have to choose edit. So I'm going to click edit, and left side we'll see different edit options are there. So from here we have to come Magic Studio. Under the Magic Studio we have to choose Magic Eraser. We just need to click here and the eraser will be opened, and there are two options are there. One is brush, other is click. We can choose any of this option. I'm going to choose brush, and then I'm going to change the size of this brush. I'm going to decrease the size, and here is I see the size of the brush is decreased. Now I'm going to remove this text. So I'm going to draw some line or something like that, and I'm going to cover the entire text. So in this way I just selected the text. There is another option which is click. We can also click here, and then it will be faster. Now what we need to do, we just need to just click on top of the text which we want to remove, and the entire text will be selected. Like this way we can choose all the text. So here I just choose click. That's why I'm going to click each of this text, and I'm going to select all of this text. I'm selecting on by on all of them, and there is another 3 letters are there. I'm going to choose this text, this characters also, or letters, and now I see all the text has been selected. Now what we need to do, we need to press this erase button. I'm going to click this erase button, and you'll see the magic. All the text from this image will be removed very shortly, and here you go. So now inside this picture there is no text. So that's it guys. In this way we can easily remove the text from our image using Canva. Thank you guys for watching the video.